Hello students of class 5th C, welcome to your new online classes. This is your maths class and today we will start our chapter 3 large numbers. So in our number system the numbers start from 0 which is a whole number. Then comes 1, then 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number and 4 digit numbers and so on. There are two types of number systems. First one is Indian number system and the second one is international number system. First, we will study about the Indian number system. In the Indian number system, the numbers start from ones, then tens, then hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. This is the table given here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and 100 crore. Then, in international number system, the numbers start from ones, tens, hundred, then comes thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then comes million, 10 million, 100 million, then comes billion. As you can see here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. Now this is Indian number system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So we have to put commas after every 100, then after every 10,000, then 10 lakh. This is Indian number system. The number names in the Indian number systems are given as 17 crore, 61 lakh, 52,930. This is international number system. In this system, the numbers start from ones, tens, 100, then we put comma here, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then we put a comma, then comes millions, 10 millions, 100 million, then we put comma here, then comes billion. In international number system, the number names are given as this is 1 million period, this is 1000 period and this is one ones period. So the number names will be like this: 176 million, 152,000 and 930. Now let's begin our exercise. Exercise 3rd A. Question number 1. Write in the short form. These numbers are given here in expanded form. We have to write it in short form. A part 50,000, 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. So it will be written as 50,000, then 4,000, then comes 300, then comes 20, then 1, and comma will be here. In the B part, 9 lakh, 70,000, 5,000, 350 plus 2. It will be written as 9, 7, 5, 3, 5, 2. And the comma will be here and here. So it is 9 lakh, 75,352. The remaining parts C, D, E, F, G will be your homework. The next question number 2, write in the expanded form. This is opposite of question number 1. In this question, they are given in the short form and we have to write it in expanded form using their place value. A part 39,635. So 3 is in 10,000 place, so it will be written as 3,000,000 plus 9 is in 1000 place, so it will be written as 9,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 5. Remaining part B, C, D, E, F, G will be your homework. Now the next question is write in figures. The number names are given here and we have to write them in digits. So first we will place it according to their places. 60,000 will be written on the 1000th place here. 6060. Then 200 will be written on 100th place here. 35. So it is 60,235. In the next question, 4 lakh will be written on the place here 4. 55,000 will be written here. 749. So this is the answer. Now the remaining parts C, D, E will be your homework. Question number 4, write in figures. It is same as question number 3, but these are given in international number system. So A part 561,000. Now this is thousandth period. We have to write it in thousandth place. 561,000. 561,000. Now nothing is given about 100, tens and ones, so we'll put 0 here. This is the answer. In B part 200,000. This is thousandth period, so 200,000 completed. Now the next 978. So it will come here 978. Here is the answer. In the same manner, C, D, E will be your homework. Do by yourself. In the next question, question number 5, write in figures in your notebook. You have to write in figures whether it is Indian system or it is international system. A part 5 lakh. Let me write here 5 lakh 49,000. First we will put comma here, then 49,000, then we'll put comma 373. Here is the answer. B part 74 lakh. Let me write 74 lakh comma 5,000. There is nothing on 10,000 place, so we will put 0 here and 5,000, then we will put comma, then 948. C and D you will do by yourself. In E part 431,000. This is thousandth period. 431,000. Then we will put comma here, then 651. This is an international number system. The next part F 2 million. Let me put 2, then comma 84,000. There is nothing on 100,000, so we will put 0 here and 84,000. Then 777. The remaining questions G, H and here C, D will be your homework. Question number 6 and question number 7 will be your homework. Let me explain. In question number 6, you have to write the number names in Indian system, and in question number 7, you have to write the number names using the international number system. 6th ka A part 59,843. You can write the spelling of this now. 59,843. Next one B part 60,060. First we will put comma here, then we will write the number name. In question number 7, first you have to write the comma according to international system, like 4, 3, 7, 9, 4, 1. We will put the comma here. So it is thousandth period, so 437,941. Now you can write all the number names by yourself in your maths copy. Question number 8. Rewrite the numbers with commas separating the periods using first the Indian system and then the international system of numeration. You have to write the numbers and put the commas first according to Indian system and then according to international system. In A part 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then here also we will write the same 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. First we will put the comma according to Indian system. Ones, tens, 100. We have to put comma here. 1,000, 10,000, then comma, then lakh. Then according to international system, ones, tens, 100. We will put comma here, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is the answer. In the same manner, all the parts you have to do by yourself. Question number 9. Write 4 consecutive numbers that come after. It means you have to write the countings. 79,697, then comes 79,698, put comma here, then comes 79,699, then comes 79,000, now it will become 700, then comes 79,701. Remaining parts you will do by yourself. Question number 10. Write the predecessor of. Predecessor means the number before. You have to write a number before a particular number. In B part, 1,41,000. So a number before it is 1,40,999. In C part, 5,90,203. So we will reduce one number here and the number will be 5,90,202. Now the remaining parts D, E, F will be your homework. Question number 11. Write the successor of. Successor means a number after a particular number. In B part, 68,099. So we have to increase one number here, so it will become now 68,099 will become 100.